Hundreds of factors influence how you and your team solve problems. There are many teams depending on design thinking that helps to understand the obstacles. What is preventing teams from reaching innovation solution and also to solve underlying problems? And the answer is design thinking. Hey everyone, my name is Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, I share about design thinking to help your team come up with useful and relevant solutions for your customers and consumers. Back to struggling with innovative solutions. How design thinking can help is it provides a structured process that models how designers approach to problem solving. You are thinking as a designer when you embark on a design thinking journey. Design thinking combines analytical, synthetic, divergent, and convergent thinking so that you can produce more potential solutions. And this selection of solutions can be narrowed down. It can go into a best fit solution. In this way, learning about design thinking brings various benefits to your team and your organization. Come and join the journey of design thinking with thousands of organizations who are successful in doing just that. You can start anytime.